Hi there, hope you are doing very well. In the last couple of videos, we looked at what is a customer journey map and how to create it. In today's video, we will deep dive into customer journey map and look at all its components. And there is a bonus for watching today's video. I'm going to give you a free toolkit that you can use to create a customer journey map for your project. Just hang in there and watch the video and you will get the toolkit. Okay, so just to recap, customer journey map is a very essential tool for any business looking forward to improve the customer experience. It helps you understand your customer needs, expectations, and their pain points at each stage of the customer's journey. Remember, customer journey map is not only used for a digital product. It can be used for any business that is looking forward to improve the customer experience. For example, a restaurant or a hotel, a showroom, or even an airline. And also remember, you can create a customer journey map at any stage of your product life cycle. An expected customer experience before the product or service is even designed, or you can create a customer journey map as an analytical tool to understand the customer's problems with the current solution. Now let's take a look at the components of customer journey map. I will be using a toolkit that I have created to explain all the components of the journey map. The first component of a customer journey map is to define your customer persona. This is a detailed description of your ideal customer, including demographics, behaviors, and goals. Creating a customer persona helps you understand your target audience and tailor your marketing efforts to their specific needs. The scenario describes the situation, and the journey map addresses and is associated with a customer's goal. You can have a very generic scenario which might explore the customer experience right from awareness to renewal, or even have a very focused scenario such as change the plan for the subscription. Journey phases are the different high level stages in the journey. It is important to define your customer's experience in phases so that you can bring focus to each stage of your customer's experience. Awareness, consideration, purchase, retention, renewal, and advocacy is an example that suits most scenarios. But depending on your product, these stages could be different. For example, for products like luxury cars, stages could be engagement, education, research, evaluation, and justification, because this is how customers engage with luxury brands since products are very expensive. The next component of a customer journey map is customer touch points, and it's one of the most important components of the customer journey map. These are the points where your customer interacts with your brand or a product or a service. I have listed down all the possible touch points according to various stages. For example, most of the marketing touch points are applicable during the awareness phase, whereas transactional touch points are applicable during purchase. Touch points could be anything, such as online advertisement or a print advertisement, social posts, blog posts, product launch events, mobile app, point of sale, environment, packaging, emails, invoices, delivery packages, confirmation emails, customer workshops or webinars, help center call. You need to identify what touch points are applicable for your product and service. After identifying the touch points, you need to map those touch points for each stage. By identifying these touch points, you can map out the customer journey and identify areas of improvement. You can influence their perception with every interaction. The purpose of each touch point is different. Some are to just give information, and some are to kind of persuade them to buy your product or service. Now, next one is not a component but a process. Once you have identified persona, stages, and touch points, next step is to map out the customer journey itself. This involves breaking down the customer journey into stages from awareness to loyalty. Mapping out the journey helps you understand the customer's experience and identify opportunities to improve it. The next component is customer actions or interactions. You need to figure out, using all 5 sensory inputs, what actions customer is taking. It could be as simple as looking at, judging an advertisement, or interacting or physically touching or using your product. What actions customer is taking for the touch points identified. Next components are mindset and emotions. Mindsets are customer thoughts or questions. Ideally, these are taken from your research. Emotions are shown up as down or up experiences. But these emotions need not be always delighted or frustrated. These could be confused or uninterested, etc. Be creative with the emotions and try to express exactly the same emotions you received during your research phase. Now, as promised, I'm going to give you a free toolkit that you can use to map out the customer journey map. All you need to do is just WhatsApp me on this number, and then I will send you the PowerPoint template that I have created. Now, the main reason why I have created this PowerPoint template is because I want anyone to use it. I mean, you need not be a designer to use the template or a toolkit to create the customer journey map. And I'm sure it will be very useful for you guys. The next component of a customer journey map is to identify pain points.
Ow, my leg! This is the worst pain ever! Go! Go!
Pain points are the areas where the customer experience is negative and needs to be improved. Now let's take a look at the another component, that is opportunities and ownership. Opportunities are insights gained from mapping. They speak to how the user experience can be optimized. Which areas of the customer journey map has negative experiences and what are the ways to improve it. Brainstorming is a good exercise to come up with opportunities. Ownership is assigned after identifying opportunities. Who owns what change and what activities that person is going to do. How are we going to measure improvements we implement? Next one is not really a component, but rather a process. This involves identifying the specific actions you need to take to improve the customer experience at each stage of the customer journey map. Your action plan should be based on insights you have gained from the components of the customer journey map. In conclusion, customer journey map is a very essential tool for any business that is looking forward to improve the customer's experience. Once you are done with the customer journey map, it's extremely important for everybody to kind of follow the customer journey map and the action points that have come from the customer journey map. It's also important to kind of create a roadmap to improve the customer experience. For example, what are we going to achieve in this quarter? What are we going to achieve in the next quarter? You can also create OKRs from these. I hope it was helpful. Please press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already subscribed. And I hope that the template that I have given you, or the toolkit that I will be giving you once you message me on this number, it will be very useful for you to create a customer journey map. This was the last video in the series of a customer journey map, and thanks for watching all the three videos, and hope you will improve your customer experience. Bye bye.